Methodology. The following description is based on the instrument, the selection of sample, procedures, and data analysis. The method that has been used in this study is descriptive. Participants. The participants for this research have been the students from the University of El Salvador, the ones who are studying the third year at the Bachelor of Arts in English with emphasis in teaching at the Foreign Language Department. The sample has been used students who are legally registered in research methods. Instruments. The researchers have made use of two different instruments. Number one, placement test. A placement test based on parameters that Common European Framework of Reference for Language offers. These include the evaluation of competences in order to help and facilitate investigators to notice the different levels of proficiency that students can perform. 2. An interview protocol. It is an oral placement test taken from Cambridge that includes different topics to be developed orally in order to rate the students by having and making use of a rubric from Common European Framework of Reference. Collection of data. The collection of data that students have done is to evaluate the students according to the Common European Framework of Reference. This is also benefit to develop the communicative language competence from a set of questions that a particular skills can be developed. The Common European Framework of Reference provides different kind of levels, including A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1. Thus, the students have been evaluated with these tests and classified in different categories depending on their performance. Also, the oral placement test taken from Cambridge from the Common European Framework of Reference will be used as well. In this process, the researchers have used a photocopy that includes several questions based on the contents and tasks that speakers can perform at those levels. The interview has been done by one of the researchers, and the other ones recorded every single conversation. They were allowed to make questions to the participants if necessary. In addition, the research managed the interviews, asking some questions and evaluating listening and speaking that those students perform. At the end, the data collection was to analyze every single conversation and put and classify the students into the right level and category according to the proficiency that they have reached.
Created using Powtoon.